everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Krafty Corner crafting.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Krafty Corner. So I made some pillows. This is going to be for a event that I did last year. I was invited back this year. It is a free event, and I did make some sales in it last year, so I'm definitely going to do this again. This is the artisan event at Georgia Southern University here in my town, and I made these pillows. So the two in the back are just arm pillows, and these fabrics are very, very pretty. And the one in the front is a sachet, so it definitely has some smell goods in it. And this set turned out really, really pretty. So I will be making several more sets like this. This is an art craft fair, so I will be making some more crafts for this event, as well as some of these sachets for my Mother's Day baskets, which I will also have out at the event as well. This event is May 1st, so I'm in crunch time to get prepared for this event and Mother's Day. So tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Krafty Corner crafting.